Hello students, welcome back to the third video of this playlist. In this video, we will be solving question number 3 from the recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 2, which is the May 2024 P2 paper. So let's get started with the third question of this paper. So question 3 part 1. Here the question says, using the laws of logarithms, solve 2 log base 2 minus x equals to 4 plus log base 2 x plus 10. Okay, we need to solve this logarithmic equation. Okay, so let's solve it. 2 log 2 base of log is 2 minus x. So take the logarithmic terms on the same side. Okay, so log 2 minus x, it can be written as, using the power rule, 2 minus x whole squared. We can take the coefficient to the power, so negative log 2 x plus 10. We took the logarithmic term on the right hand side to the left hand side, so this is equals to 4. So base is equal and they have subtraction between them, so we can take log 2 common. So if you take log 2 common, you will have 2 minus x whole squared in the numerator. So 2 minus x whole squared in the numerator, and in the denominator it will be x plus 10. Okay, so this is equals to 4. Okay, so now what we can do is that we will apply this formula. Look, log if log, wait, it's having problems. Okay, so log an equals to x. Okay, if log an equals to x, then a to the power x equals to n. So in place of a, it is what, 2 there, and in place of x it is 4. So 2 to the power 4, it is equals to 2 minus x whole squared. Let's expand it, so you will get 4. 2 square is 4 minus 2ab, so 2 times x, so it will give you 4x plus b squared over x plus 10. Okay, now do cross multiplication. So if you do cross multiplication, you will get x squared negative 4x plus 4 equals to 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16x plus 160. Okay, so x squared negative 4x, take 16x to the left, so you will get negative 20x plus 4 negative 160, so that would give you negative 156 equals to 0. Okay, so now we need to solve this quadratic equation. Can we do middle term? Let's have a try. 26 times 6, I think, exactly 26 times 6 it works. So it will be x squared negative 26x plus 6x negative 156 equals to 0. Is this fine? Exactly. So we can take x common, so you will have x minus 26, and from there you can take plus 6 common, you will have x minus 26. Exactly. Okay, so either x equals to negative 6 or x equals to 26. Now we need to figure out whether both are acceptable or not. How can we figure out that? Let's have a look on the equation. So we have to consider the value of x, the final answer, we have to consider the such value of x that will not give negative within the bracket of log. Okay, the solution will be the such value which will not give any negative value within the bracket of the log. Okay, so we got two values, negative 6 and 26. So if you consider 26 within there, so 2 minus 26, it will become negative 24. So log negative 24, whatever the base is, log negative 24, it is always undefined. So that means we have to ignore 26. 26 is not acceptable. Negative 6, it is acceptable because if you put -6 there, it remains positive within the bracket. Also here it remains positive within the bracket. So the final answer, it should be x equals to -6 only. And that's the answer for part 1 of question number 3. Fine. Okay, next is part 2 of question number 3. So here the question is asking to find the value of log base square root of a to the power 6, where a is a positive constant greater than 1. Okay, that means we need to simplify this, simplify and get the value of this logarithmic expression. Okay, so part 2. Okay, how can we simplify it? The base is square root of a. So if we can make the constant, that is a to the power 6, if we can represent a to the power 6 in terms of square root of a, then we can eliminate the log, right? So it can be written as log base square root of a and a to the power 6. a to the power 6 can be written as, if we write square root of a whole to the power 12. Can we write like this? Exactly, we can write like this because square root of a is basically power half. So half times 12, it will become a to the power 6 eventually. Okay, so base of the log, it is square root of a, and the constant here, it is also square root of a. So the power of the base, the power of the constant, it goes to the coefficient, and log square root of a square root of a, it is basically 1. So the value of the given logarithmic expression, this is basically 12. That's it. That's the end of question number 3. Fine.